Hello, my name is Vishnu Diwakar and I am currently working with the JECRS University. Uh, I have done my MCA from Himalayan Garhwal University in 2022. So here I am going to, and before that, my cohort name is cohort attribute. Here I am going to explain you 5 questions of my first capstone project. So this is my first question. It's calculator BMI calculator. So here a function name is calculate BMI, weight and height is a parameter. Here const BMI is a variable, weight and is a formula of calculating BMI, weight divided by height into height. So here if BMI, if I passed some three or more condition, BMI less than 18.5 and keep BMI this, then return underweight. Again second condition, BMI greater than is equal to 18.5 and BMI less than 24.9, return normal weight. Here in this question have already bugs in his here used or operator, but this is not correct way, so I solve this by using AND operator. Okay, now it's going to produce its perfect result. Now I am going to run it. Here observe its else return condition, because it's 90, all conditions are else यानी कि false. So here I will pass 19 and height is 1.15 and again run this code. It's going to underweight first this condition. Okay, so this is my first question explanation. Now I am going to comment out this question to go second question. The second question is convert temperature converter, and here I have created a function convert temperature, and here two parameter, temperature and the unit in the sense Celsius or Fahrenheit. Okay, here if condition and unit correct equal to C const Fahrenheit temperature, and temperature converted into temperature into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. 32 is the value of current temperature, and here written Fahrenheit to fix is for I want to float value by 2. After decimal value I want 2 digits only, then I pass to fix in 2. And now this is the else condition, and here 13 and K. 13 is the current temperature, and convert I will run this code. It's produce C is use C or F for Fahrenheit, because this condition is true in this case. Okay, because here passed I K, I will pass the C or F, then is produce 555.40, and here I pass the F, then again here passed minus 10 dot 56. This is the program of the second question of the project. Here I am going to third question explanation. So third question is this. Here function is calculate tip. Third question is calculate tip. Then here two parameters, and bill amount and tip percentage. How many percentage of the tip? So const tip amount is equal to tip amount in store the tip amount bill amount into tip percentage. Const total amount is equal to bill amount plus tip percentage, because total bill is bill amount plus tip percentage. Then return the numbers. Convert the values with the numbers function to number to amount dot to fixed to. Again, I want only 2 digits after decimal. Then I have passed to fix. Then print console.log. Here I will run the code 17.5.90 75.94 because here 60 and 75 0 to 25 is percentage. If I will pass 90 and I will pass 0.10 and save, then run, here 99.83. So this is the third question of first Capstone project. It is calculate tips. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to fourth question explanation in this continuous project is palindrome. Number is palindrome. This question is number is palindrome. Palindromes means number a string. A string is going from starting to reverse is called SAMP. Is palindrome. String AR parameter function is palindrome. There const clean string variable str dot replace. This is the registry expression. And G4 calculate small or all for small. And here blank to lowercase, convert all string to the lowercase by a G because capital string or and small strings are different in the JavaScript. Then store in the clean string. Then reverse string is a function. Then clean string dot split via without space dot reverse because we will check the from last to starting, last to first via reverse function, and reverse after that join again via without space. Then return clean string and compare these all two string together, clean string and reverse string. Okay. Then console.log is palindrome called. Just here is the word is race car. Race car is the palindrome already, you know, and I know it's calling true. Then here I will pass the Vishnu. Then this is not a palindrome, it's false because it's not sound same from starting to end. So this is the fourth question of the project Capstone, and here is the fifth question of the regarding this project explanation. Count vowel and a string vowel word in the English words A, E, I, O, U. Count vowel is a function, string is a parameter, str. Const vowel function is equal to, here pass the variable array as a variable as a storage. A, E, I, O, U is all vowel in the English. Const lower string is equal to str dot to lowercase because we want to compare these all string in the lowercase because all user can be involved and enter the string as a capital or at lowercase or small case. So first of all we going to convert all string in the lowercase by two lowercase function, and let count is 0. For loop let I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to lowercase dot length and I plus plus. If vowel dot includes lowercase I count plus plus because here lowercase अगर lowercase में अगर string देती है तो count में +1 होता जाएगा. Return count consider dot count vowel. Here I have passed string Vishnu Diwakar. Then I will to run the code. Here 5. 5 over how v I is the first, sh and u is the 2, I again 3, a again 4, and a again 5. Okay, this is, and I will pass the end value of only Vishnu. Here count again the vowel is 2, is because I and U. So this is the function called vowel count. Okay, and this is the first 5 questions, and in the second here one question 8, question number is 8, function. In this question we're going to use count occurrences, how many count occurrences in a sentence over any particular character. So here is the comment, use regular expression for the match. Const x is a function, new reg xp is a function, already defined function, character, comma g for all string will be const mismatch because string all small and capital will be different. Then here g because count we are counting only in a small. Then const match, sentence dot match rejects because here there is a data all of here match, sentence dot match in the matches variable. Return matches ternary operator is the match dot length is equal to 0. Here is the it's a condition in this match dot length, otherwise 0 because in this means अगर इसमें स्ट्रिंग या करेक्टर मैच हुआ तो इसमें आएगा, इधर प्रिंट हो जाएगा, अदरवाइज 0 प्रिंट हो जाएगा. console.log count occurrences called function. Here is the string parameter as and character is I. Then I will find the I in the Vishnu Diwakar. Then is 2. How I and I. How? Then I will print this capital and here print the 0 because string is small and capital is different in the JavaScript via G. Then I will G capital zero. Here if I will small I, then it's print already again 2. So these all the questions of my project I have explained. So I hope it is correct explanation by myself. This is my first explanation. So thank you.